Welcome friends to Basic Education Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss very important topic of the parts of the speech, and that is verb. Okay, today we are going to discuss about verb. Friends, verb is very important topic of the grammar or parts of speech. Why? Friends, you must be thinking what is the verb? There are so many questions about the verb. Okay. Firstly, we are going to discuss that verb. See friends, grammar is incomplete without the verb. Okay. So, it is very important to discuss the verb to understand the grammar. Okay. So, today we are going to start the class of verb. See friends, carefully watch this picture and observe all the things happening there. Okay, there are so many activities going on there. You have to observe all the things and keep in your mind. Okay, friends, what you see here? Well, I see here bird is flying, sun is rising, boy is reading, man is walking, cat is playing. Okay, all these activities are going on there. This action is going on there. So friends, words, words which represent the action of the noun words. Okay, the words which represent some action of the noun words, they are verb. Okay, let's discuss it more on the board. Okay friends, now first of all the definition of verb. Word which represents some action done by noun is called verb. Okay, word which represents some action done by noun is called verb. Friends, I hope you remember the noun. We have earlier discussed the noun topic. You have understood it very clearly. So today we are discussing the verb. Verb are the action word which tell us the action of the noun. Here are some action words like eats, plays, walks, swims, etc. They all represent action, right? Let's see some example sentences and see the pictures also in front of them. Ram is walking. Mohan is playing. Vijay is reading book. Birds are flying. Karan is eating pizza. Alright friends, here are some more action words. Okay, like run, clean, dance, walk, cry, crawl, fight, laugh, ride, listen, read, write, think, cook, climb, drink. I hope you are also reading with me because it's very interesting. Okay, next we have, let's check your understanding of the topic verb, that how much you have understood the topic verb. See friends, it's very easy. We have covered it within few seconds or few minutes. Now let's check whether you have understood it or not. Here we have some fill in the blanks with the pictures given in front of them, and we have the options in the box also there. Okay, so let's read the sentences in front of the pictures. First sentence, cat is dash with ball. Okay, cat is dash with ball. Next, Mohan is dash in the ground. Mohan is dash in the ground. Okay, friends, keep your answers with you. Okay. Next one is Ram is dash a bike. Ram is dash a bike. Next, birds are dash in the sky. Birds are dash in the sky. Next one, boy is dash water. Okay friends, boy is dash water. Next and last one is baby is dash on the floor. Baby is dash on the floor. See friends, I hope you have matched all the options given in the box with the sentences. Now let's check the answers. So here are the answers. Check your answers. Have you done the correct or not? Cat is playing with ball. Mohan is running in the ground. Ram is riding a bike. Birds are flying in the sky. Boy is drinking water. And baby is crawling on the floor. See friends, it's so easy to understand the topic verb because verb is nothing very much hard. It's just about the action words, okay? Verb is just about the action words. Action which is done by noun, okay? Action which is done by the noun. I hope you have understood it very clearly and you will remember whole your life. Okay friends? So to watch such informational videos, keep in touch with us and like our video, share our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep watching our video. Thank you.